Hi royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you are new here, welcome. Today's video is a glam house tour. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright my royalties, let's get this video started. And again, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Now for my late winter to early spring home tour, as you can already see, my living room is styled with pink, white, silver, and subtle tones of gray. I'm going to let you see what I did in the space. Each space has a different colored theme, but you still always know my theme throughout is I used lots of silvers and whites, and I am just your ordinary glam girl. Make sure you check out not only my video, but this video is actually in part of a collaboration, and that collaboration is with the Glam Squad. Now the Glam Squad consists of Glamour Ellen, Luxury Living Within, Sue from My Glam Home with Soleil, and myself, Tammy from Glam Queen of Decor. All of our links in the description. Please make sure you go over to the other ladies' channel to see what inspiration they will be showing you for this late winter to early spring tour. Now it is a bonus in this, you guys. Even though we all love glam, we all like glam through different decor styles. So we're gonna bring you some inspiration no matter what your flair is. We're gonna solve it for you today. All right, enjoy what I created in my home for the late winter, early spring home tour. Now for my kitchen, you already know I am using lavender, white, silver, and gray tones. And once again, I hope this gives you some inspiration on a way that you can style something. Drop me a comment thus far. Are you liking that living room with that baby pink, or are you liking this kitchen with this lavender? Make sure you catch the other two room tours. And please don't forget to subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor. And for room number 3, I am showing you my guest room. And the colors in the guest room is just white, silver, and different tones of gray, but featuring mainly smoke gray. And yet once again, I do hope this gives you some inspiration. Now still, if you're still watching, please make sure you go over and check out the other Glam Squad members videos that we're showing you our late winter, early spring home tours. And also be mindful, be ready to start off with us for the month of March. We're going to be bringing you something spectacular every single week, and we hope to see you there. And now the last room we're showing today is my bathroom, and I use yellow, white, silver, and different tones of gray again. As you can see, I went light, I went bright, and I went airy. But there will be a bonus, you guys. We are doing a full-scale spring home tour coming, and I plan to amaze you as well as surprise you when you see that. So be on the lookout for what we do have upcoming for you for the month of March. And yet once again, check out all of the Glam Squad members. And if you're watching and you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of Decor, hit that subscribe button. Here on the Glam Queen of Decor, you will always get a overload of glam home decor, whether it's room tours, tablescapes, room stylings, home decor, shopping hauls, anything home decor related you get here. Make sure you do subscribe. Also, when you see DIYs that is featured in my home, in order for you to see those DIYs, you must go over to the Glam Queen of DIY. We would love to have you there as well. Alright family, we're bringing this Glam home tour to a close. Check out Glam Squad. There are links in the description box. And if you've been rocking with me, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see you in another video. Bye everyone, stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, and Glam Queen Unboxing.